Good afternoon. Bob Dalton coming to you from Allendale's trading floor here in McHenry, Illinois. It is Thursday, the 18th of November, 2010, and as we've seen pretty much this week entirely, the dollar has been in control of what's going on in agricultural commodities. Today, with the dollar being down, we saw crude oil up and the rest of the grains and livestock markets higher as well. It seems to be the rule of thumb this week is if you're up a big one day, chances are really good you're going to be down big the next. Today we picked up a little bit of what we may have left on the table here yesterday. Corn up 16 on the day at 5.41 3/4. We had soybeans today up 37 at 12.42. Wheat right now settling up today at up 12 3/4 at 6.45 1/4. Like I said, the dollar being lower did, of course, give the grains the support they needed to run higher. We're down 49 right now in the dollar at 78.72. We did go down and test some support and have not at this point gone through it. So there was some buying down there as well. Are we going to see continued buying into the night session and pressure the grains again tomorrow? That's yet to be determined. Crude oil gaining $1.57 on the day as of right now at 82.01, so trading just above $82 a barrel again today on the crude. So really it's the same story that could have been dictated any day this week so far, and it being Thursday, this will be the fourth day in a row. Down one day, up the next, so to say, and the dollar in full control of what's going on in commodities. If the dollar is lower, they're coming in buying commodities big. If the dollar is higher, you're going to see it sell off. And that translated over into the livestock markets today as well. Higher cutouts were posted. I did hear that cutout values were higher, about $2 if I heard correctly off of what we heard last week. So some substantial gains in cutout values this week. I have not heard any cash fat sales prices as of yet. We did have live cattle in December up $1.45 today at 100.80. You had November feeder cattle go off the board today. They expired. That puts January now as the front month up 130 today in that contract at 116.05. And the hogs today in the December up 25 at 68.65. The more deferred contracts are trading well above $1 higher on the day as well. So really for direction, you know, you got to look to the dollar to try to anticipate what's going to happen next in these ag markets. You look at the dollar and then you go look at the metals. There was significant buying in the metals today. Gold and silver both up as well. Silver over 100 points higher, and gold was up about $14 an ounce last I saw. So lower volume in the grains today, but higher pricing. We're looking at a couple of different trend lines that are going to be competed with here soon in the corn, and we also looked at a moving average getting hit today in the dollar. So what's going to happen? Are we going to break out on one and not the other? Are we going to break out on both of them? Time will tell. Corn higher today, feeder prices higher today. So, you know, we know the funds are in the cattle market, both the feeders and the fats. We saw some liquidation come out of the grains from the funds. Did they come back in here at some point this week and start reestablishing long positions they may have liquidated earlier in the week? You know, time will tell. We'll see on the commitment to traders report how much the funds still have on there to the long side. And again, as far as I know right now, they are still holding record longs in the cattle market. If you have questions, feel free to give us a call here at Allendale. Phone number is 800-262-7538, or visit us on the website www.allendale-inc.com. Thank you very much, and good luck trading this week.